everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for this vlog is I'm gonna make a new review and also first impression of this one. So okay, this is a backpack, right? And it's also this is just this is from the East Sport. It's sport, so it's so hard to pronounce, right? But this one is, yeah, it's still good, but this one is really awesome. And also I like this is because there are so many compartments, right? So at the side we've got some water bottle, right? We've got some water bottles right here that you can put it in. And also there's the big one also right over here, which I wish I can put all of my things for work. And it's also, we've got some another compartments right here also, right? So this one right here, I think is still, yeah, it's not so right big, but it's okay for those essentials that it's okay for those essential for essentials that I am putting it on, right? So for example my folding knife, my medicine, right? It's also anything that I can put it on right here, right? So, and also we've got some right here another compartment, and which is also really big. And we've got got some mesh packet right over here in which I can put or something or in which I can put those things that I can put it on, right? And it's also got a bigger compartment right here in which I can put in. So we've got some, what is one, water bottle packet, water bottle packet, which is right here. And this is also the other, we've got another, okay, gonna have to close that up. We've got another compartment right over here, and which is this one, and which is also I can put some things that I can put it on, right? And this also, we've got another water bottle compartment right over here, okay, right? So this is a good this is a good backpack that I can use it with that, right? And it's also, I don't know if this zipper is a YKK, right? YKK is a good zipper, right? It is also very durable, right? Also, yes, big enough. This is good enough for me to have a backpack. And it's also, we've got some nice right over here at the back, and we've got some right over here to put my bag on in those right. So right, this is a good one also in which that I want. So this is really pretty good backpack that I can have right here, right? So it is also a good one also, right? This is a good one. This is a good backpack that I can use it with my everyday carry, right? So right here we've got the tag of the bag, okay? So what's in here? So as what we see, it says to learn more, scan below for the esports experience and share your photos with us at esports.com, plus our other social media platforms, just like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram, right? So they are a branded one, right? They are branded backpack. So if you want to have this, so just go on to the Walmart, or you can go to their Facebook page, or either YouTube and also in Instagram, right? So Facebook page, they also have a Facebook page right here, which you can see, right there, right? Yes, Facebook page, YouTube, and Instagram, so that you can check their other products, right? This is a good backpack that I can recommend also. A good one. So I'm gonna have to make a overview of this one, and also a review which is gonna be in the next video, right? So okay, so I think that's it for today's vlog, right? For this good backpack right over here, eSport. So okay, so I think that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy watching it. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned for more. Okay, so it's because I'm gonna give you some of my new vlogs right here in my channel, so you better subscribe now. Okay, so thank you so much and good day everyone.